Coach Yeng, former Congressman Yeng, congratulations po. Coach, 10-year battle, but eventually we finally got yung much needed clarification that will benefit the Philippine sports in general. How special it is for you?
Very special. I'd like to thank the PSA for the honor. I'm very happy for our athletes and for our youth. Kasi meron tayong additional funding for our sports requirements, our needs, new centers, new equipment. Kausap ko lang si Chairman Pato and he's already planned how to make the most use out of the additional funds. It's been a 10-year battle. Medyo minsan nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa dahil masyado matagal, and at the same time it's really difficult to fight this fight without yung mga resources. Mabuti may tumulong sa akin na isang lawyer and my chief of staff when I was in Congress. So we were able to continue the battle and sustain ourselves, and without any benefit to ourselves. Ang benefit naman nito mapupunta lahat sa youth natin, sa mga athletes natin. So I'm really very happy. Actually, hindi ko inaasahan yung honor, but I really appreciate what PSA has done to recognize the effort.
Ivan? Coach, with new projects emerging din po for the youth, like yung Southeast Asian Youth Games Plus, siguro gaano po kayo optimistic na yung additional funds na makukuha po ng mga atleta, kumbaga makakatulong palalo sa pag-boost ng grassroots program natin for athletes?
I have full trust and confidence in the PSC leadership, in the POC leadership, yung ating mga sports federations. Malaking tiwala ako na we have the same desire. Our desire is to improve Philippine sports, produce the best athletes, and support them, and keep on improving their performances. At the same time, ang ano ko rin dito is this could be a rebirth of Philippine sports. From my estimate, it could be around 7 billion a year additional funds for the next 10 years sa ating sports programs. So that's a lot of money. So may tiwala ako sa ating mga leadership natin na they will be able to find ways to maximize and make the best use of these funds.
Achievement of your legislative work, considering na this is more sports adjacent, na mas close sa puso mo to?
For sure, this is not only the biggest achievement of my legislative work, it's the biggest achievement of my work in general. I don't think even a PBA championship would be as having an impact as bringing in 7 billion a year of funds to support Philippine sports.